Nice. Did you do any kind of testing for box location to know where to put it?
I've tried a little bit here and there.
Yeah.
Just got these subs in. I'm having the...
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
This box was built for the HDs.
Okay, got
I
it.
just dropped these in.
Okay, got it.
The port for these are supposed to be almost 5 inches. I got to change the box.
That's all good. Work in progress. I got it. Definitely did some back hatch work too. Yeah, it looks good.
Be doing the roof when here now that the wife's got to be here.
Yes, sir. Nice. Yeah, I'll get inside with you and hear it and get info. So, what is your name and what all's in here, man?
My name is Michael Thomas. I have a Pioneer 1500 NEX head unit, P-Boys 2000 by 4 for the doors, Tapano 400 by 4 for the tweeters and horns. I do have PRV Neo or Fortes in the front doors, 8 Fortes in the back doors, Sundown XV3 12s, 5,000 watt brutal sound running those. Got a DSP running the mids and highs.
Okay. Do you know anything about the box for like your tuning or cubic space or anything?
5.34 is the cubic foot on the box. It's tuned at 34.
Okay. And last question, SPL score. Have you tested it yet?
Yes, I've dropped since I did the HDs. I'm down to a 144.9 average, but I think my bass knob had a problem.
Okay.
So gonna recheck that today, and we're gonna run bass wars today.
Got it. Okay.
But it's aggressive.
Yes, sir. All right. I'm looking forward to it. And these subs, are they still breaking in, or are they pretty broken in?
We're what, a month and a half?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Still loosening. All right.
Yes.
Nice. Nice work. I know you said it's work in progress.
And we built the box. My sons did all the work in here.
Sweet.
A little bit of tuning by Cody Gullett.
Okay.
And
awesome.
Family affair here.
All right. Awesome, man. All right. I'm ready to hear it.
Yeah, fucking get me. Yeah, Yello-Oh, bitch. Please don't keep me at the condo. Just tell me where I can locate the Dorado. She said I know me so much already. Yeah, so much don't get sad. At the condo.
Oh, 38, okay.
38.
It definitely likes the lower frequency for sure. Into the lower 30s and the higher 20s. I like it, man. I appreciate the demo. And these subs, are they still breaking in or are they pretty broken in?
We're, what, a month and a half?
Okay. Yeah, okay.